So you can see on your page number 135 what this boy is doing. This boy is measuring this table with a measuring rod. So to do the measurement we use a rod, measuring rod. Okay, you can see in this picture. So how we can measure? See, 1 meter equal to how much? 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter equal to what? 1 meter. And we write every time meter like this, small m. Small m means what every time? Meaning of small m is meter. 1 m. 1 m means what? 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 1000 centimeter. 1000 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So this is very important unit. You have to learn this unit. Okay. Now see what these people are doing here. They are measuring a cloth. They are measuring a cloth by this measuring that tape. For measuring the cloth, the tailor use this measuring tape. With the help of that measuring tape, they can measure how much that cloth is and how to stitch clothes from that cloth. Okay, so equal parts. So what we can see here, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Also, if we require 2 meter cloth for girls, small girls, 2.5 meter for stitching a cloth, stitching a frock for small girl. So they will measure with this measuring tape and they stitch the cloth. Okay. Now see your page number 136. So you can see here centimeter ruler. What is the meaning of centimeter ruler? Centimeter ruler is nothing but our scale that is present in our compass box. So this is our measuring scale. Okay, in your compass this size measuring scale is there. So on that measuring scale 15 centimeter we can count. We can see 15 centimeters are there. We can count up to 15 centimeter by using this small scale. Okay. Now see exercise 8.1. Measure the lengths of the following. So see here A, B. A, B, that is start with the 0. This is on some scale the millimeter centimeter is given and on some scale from 0 it is started. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This line measures 3 centimeter. So what is the answer? AB equal to 3 centimeter. Now see what is the B question. So B question is what? PQ. PQ measures how many? Up to which number this PQ line is there? This PQ line is 5 centimeter. So you write down there 5. Here space is given there. Okay. Now see C question. LM. So how many centimeters? The distance of between L and M. The distance between L and M is 6 centimeter. So you have to write here 6 centimeter. Now see D question. MN. So what is the distance between M and N? That is 8 centimeter. So you write down MN equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. So here space is given in your textbook. So you have to complete this exercise, this question on page number 136. Okay. Now see question number 2. Page number 137. So what is the question? Observe carefully and write the length of each of the following shown on a scale. So everything is given here. See, this is a small pencil. So measurement of pencil is, this line is given here. So first is what? Pencil. So pencil is first line, that is up to 3 centimeter. So you write down here 3 centimeter. पेंसिल के आगे जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दी हुई है वहां पे हमें लिखना है 3 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, देन व्हाट इज गिवन हियर? अ टूथब्रश, जिससे हम सुबह ब्रश करते हैं, दैट टूथब्रश इज गिवन. सो टूथब्रश की लेंथ कितनी है? यहाँ से काउंट करेंगे, दैट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन बिलो दिस 4 सेंटीमीटर. Then one spoon is given. A steel spoon is there. What is the length of that spoon? That is 6 centimeter. Third picture is of spoon. So this spoon measures about 6 centimeter. So right here 6 centimeter. Now see, one big pencil is given. So what is the measurement of that pencil? Near about this. Now see, this is a paint brush. By using this paint brush we can give color to our drawing. Okay, so what is the length of this paint brush? That is 12 centimeter. So you write down here 12 centimeter. So in this way you write down all these answers in your textbook. Now see, below this box 4 questions are given. So we have to answer these questions. What is the first question? Name the shortest object. So in these objects, what is the name of the shortest object? So very small object in these objects is pencil. So you write down here answer pencil. Okay, now see B question. Name the longest object. Longest object, which is the longest object here? Here the longest object is a paint brush. So you write down here answer brush. A space is there, so you can write down here answer. Okay, now see C question. Find the combined length of the longest object and the shortest object. So combined length. Combined means what we have to do? We have to do here addition of what? Of the longest object. Longest object is what? A paintbrush. What is the measurement of that paintbrush? That is 12 centimeter. So you write down here 12 plus and the shortest object. So what is the shortest object here? That is the pencil. So what is the measurement of that pencil is 3. So 12 plus 3, how much? 15. So you write down here answer 15 centimeter. Okay, now see D question. Find the difference in the length of the longest object and the shortest object. So what is given in this question? Find the difference. Difference means what we have to find out? We have to find out here, we have to do here subtraction of what? Subtraction of the longest object length and the shortest object length. So what is the longest object length? What is the paintbrush length? That is 12 centimeter. 12 minus what is the length of the shortest object? That is 3 centimeter. So 12 minus 3, how much? 9. So you write down here answer 9 centimeter. So you complete these answers in your textbook. Now how we can convert meters into centimeters? That we have to see. that suppose 8 meter is given, and what is our question? This 8 meter you have to convert into centimeter. So what we can do? We can do 8 multiplied by 100 centimeter, because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 8 multiplied by 100. 100 8s are how much? 800. 800 centimeter is our answer. Okay. Now suppose we have to convert 3 meter 20 centimeter into centimeter. So first what we will do? We will convert this meter into centimeter. How? 3 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus this 20 centimeter. So 100 multiplied by 3, 300 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. So 300 centimeter plus 20 centimeter equal to 320 centimeter. Suppose we have to convert 500 centimeter into meter. So opposite we have to do here. Suppose see, 100 centimeter equal to how much? 1 meter. Okay, so 500 centimeter equal to, means 500 centimeter we have to convert into meter. So what we have to do? We have to divide this 500 by 100. So 500 divided by 100 equal to 5. 100 5s are 5. So what is our answer? 5 meter. Okay. Now see what we have to do now. Suppose we have to convert 575 centimeter into meter and centimeters. So you know very well that this, see, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Here also 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So what we have to do? 575 centimeter equal to this centimeter we have to convert into meter. So 575 divided by 100. So 575 divided by 100. Suppose we will do here this division. See, 575 divided by 100. So in the table of 100, only 500 is there. So 100 5 is how much? 500. So 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. This 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. So what is our answer? What is our quotient? That is meter, 5 meter. And what is the remainder? 75. So that we have to consider as centimeter. So what is our answer? 5 meter and 75 centimeter. That is the conversion of meter into centimeter. So by using all these formulas, we will solve our next exercise. Yes, now we have to see page number 138, exercise 8.2. So what is the first question? Convert the following into centimeters. So we have to convert it into centimeter. So first question is what? 2 meter. So 2 multiplied by 100 centimeter equal to 100 to the 200 centimeter. Okay. So this is our answer. So you complete, and exercise 8.2 you have to complete in your notebook, because in your textbook there is no spaces there. So you complete this exercise 8.2 in your notebook. Now see B question, 5 meter. So 5 multiplied by 100 centimeter. 100 multiplied by 5, 500 centimeter is our answer. Now see C question, 19 meter. So 19 multiplied by 100 centimeter equal to how much? 1900 centimeter is our answer. Now write down D question, 8 meter 5 centimeter. So 8 meter, 8 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 100 multiplied by 800 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 800 plus 5, how much? 805 centimeter is our answer. You can write here also this equal to sign. So in your notebook you have to write down everything as it is. Now see equation. 8 meter 85 centimeter. So again 8 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 85 centimeter. So 100 is 800 centimeter plus 85 centimeter. 800 plus 85, 885 centimeter is our answer. Now see F question. 1 meter 15 centimeter. So 1 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So 100 ones are 100. 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. 100 plus 15, 115 centimeter is our answer. Now see G question. 17 meter 88 centimeter equal to. So 17 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 88 centimeter. Okay, so 100 multiplied by 70, 1700 centimeter plus 88 centimeter. So 1700 plus 88, 1788 centimeter is our answer. So in this way you have to complete these questions in your notebook. Now see H question. 14 meter 85 centimeter. So 14 into 100 centimeter plus 85 centimeter. 100 multiplied by 14, 1400 centimeter plus 85 centimeter. So 1400 plus 85, 1485 centimeter is our answer. Now see I question. 81 meter 76 centimeter. So 81 multiplied by 100 plus 76 centimeter. So 100 multiplied by 81 is 8100 centimeter plus 76 centimeter. 8176 centimeter is our answer. Now see J question. 19 meter 9 centimeter. So 19 into 100 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. So 100 multiplied by 90. 1900 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. So 1900 plus 9, how much? 1909 centimeter. So in this way you have to complete all these answers in your notebook. Now see second question. Convert the following into meters and centimeters. So first question is what? This question also you have to write down in your notebook. So first question is 200 centimeter. So we have to convert it into this centimeter into meter and centimeter. Okay, so what you will do? You will do 200 divided by 100. This 100 equal to how much? 200 divided by 100. 100 2 is 200. So what you will write here? 2 centimeter is our answer. Sorry, 2 centimeter no. We have to convert into meter. So what is our answer? 2 meter. So in this way we have to write down this answer. Now see B question. 800 centimeter. So again 800 divided by 100. 100 8s are 800. So what is the answer? 8 meter. So write down our answer 8 meter. Okay. Now see C question. 756 centimeter. So what we have to do? 756 divided by 100. So in the table of 100 only, suppose we do here this division, 756 divided by 100. So 100 sevens are how much? 700. Okay. 6 minus 0, 6, 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 7, 0. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 7. So 7 meter we have to write down. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 56. So we have to write down 56 centimeter. So in this way we have to write down the answer. Okay. Now see D question. 609 centimeter. So again if we do here division, 609 divided by 100. So 100 6 is 600. 9 minus 0, 9, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. So what is the quotient here? Our quotient is 6. So we have to write down here 6 meter. And what is the remainder here? 9. So we have to write down here 9 centimeter. So in this way we have to write down the answer. If you want to write this division here also, you can write, no problem. Okay. Now see E question. We will directly do here the division. So 1105 divided by 100. So in the table of 100, what is the correct answer here? 100 ones are 100. 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So bring this 5 downside. Okay. Again 100 ones are 100. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So what is our quotient? Our quotient is 11. So you write down 11 meter. And what is the remainder? 5. So write down here 5 centimeter. This is our answer. So complete in your notebook. Now see F question. 210 centimeter. Okay. So what we have to do? 210 divided by 100. So 210 divided by 100. So 100 2s are how much? 200. So 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. So what is our quotient? Our quotient is 2. So what we can write here? 2 meter. And what is the remainder? 10. So 10 centimeter is our answer. So you write down this also in your notebook. Okay. Now see G question. 650 centimeter. So again 650 divided by 100. So 650 divided by 100. 100 6 are 600. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 6. So 6 meter. And what is the remainder? 50. So 50 centimeter is our answer. Okay. Now see H question. 4500 centimeter. So 4500 divided by 100. So 4500. So 100 fours are how much? 400. So 100 fours are 400. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, so bring this 0 downside. So 100 5 are how much? 500. Okay, so what is the quotient? Quotient is 45. So 45 meter is our answer. Okay, now see I question 7,705 centimeter. So 7,705 divided by 100. So 100 7 का how much? 700. 0 minus 0 0. 7 minus 0 7. 7 minus 7 0. Break this 5 downside. Again 100 7 का how much? 700. 5 minus 0 5. 0 minus 0 0. 7 minus 7 0. Okay. So what is our quotient here? Our quotient is 77. So write down 77 meter 5 centimeter. So in this way complete this second question also in your notebook. Now see your page number 140, exercise 8.3. First question is what? Name and measure the line segments in the following figures. So we have to measure this first. First what is given? A, B. So put your scale like this on A, starting point from that centimeter, and B. So it is 3.4 centimeter. So join this AB segment. Okay, so AB is 3.4 centimeter. So you write down here A 3.4 centimeter. Okay, now what is B question? B question is XY. So keep your scale like this on this X dot. XY is 2.2 centimeter. So you joint with your help of scale. So you write down here 2.2 centimeter. Now see question PQ. So you have to join this PQ. PQ is 5, 6, 7, 8. 2.8 centimeter. So you join this PQ line segment, that is 2.8 centimeter. Okay, now see D question. D question is what? NM. Okay, we can say it as MN also. So what is the measurement of this NM? That is 2.3. See, put your centimeter here on this line, and 1 2 3. This is 2.3 centimeter. Okay, now see your second question. Measure the line segments and write their lengths. So we have to measure this A. A is what? LM. So LM segment is 2.7. So you write down here 2.7 centimeter. Now count this B question, AB. So AB is how much? Now see, this is 2.5, 6, 7, 8. So AB is 2.8 centimeter. Now count C. C question is what? CD. So keep your centimeter on this C dot and up to D dot. How much? 5, 6, 2.7. This is 2.7 centimeter. Write down here 2.7 centimeter. Then PQ centimeter. So put your scale on this Q dot and this P dot. So PQ is exactly 3 centimeter. So you write down here 3 centimeter. Then equation is what? FG. Then put your scale on that F point and then find out how much that is. 4 centimeter. FG is 4 centimeter. Then F question is what? XM. So XM is what? See here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3.8 centimeter. 3.8 centimeter. Here also space is given, so we will write LM equal to 2.7 centimeter, AB equal to 2.8 centimeter, CD equal to 2.7 centimeter, D equal to the question number D, PQ equal to 3 centimeter, then FG equal to 4 centimeter, then XM equal to 3.8 centimeter. Okay, now see third question. Draw the line segments of the following lengths. So A to H, we have to draw here straight line of these measurements. Okay, so 8 centimeter. So exactly you draw, start with that centimeter point and then give second point on the the second point on this 8 number and then draw this straight line of 8 centimeter. Okay, then second question is what? 7 centimeter. Then put your first dot here on this centimeter and put your second dot on this 7 number and then join these two dots and your 7 centimeter is ready. Then 6.5 centimeter. Then put your first dot here on this centimeter and 6.5. See, 6.5 means this line. So keep your dot here on this 6.5 and then join these two dots. Okay, now see D question, 5.2 centimeter. So keep first point on this centimeter and 5.2. This is 5 line 1, 2. Then give second dot here on this 5.2 and then join this line segment. Then 8.4. Okay, so put your first point on this centimeter and then put your second point on this 8.4. 8.4 means before that 5, that is 8.4. So draw this line. Okay, now see F question, 7.6 centimeter. So keep your first dot here and then 7.6 centimeter. After 5, what? After 7.5, the first line is, that is 7.6 centimeter. So you join that two dots, that will become 7.6 centimeter. And then 9.0. 9.0 means what? 9. So just put your dot here first and then put your dot on 9 and then join these two dots. It will become a line segment of 9 centimeter. Then 10.5. 10.5. So put your first dot here and then put your second dot. See, this is 10. 10 after 10, 5 lines means what? 5. 10.5. So join these two lines. Okay, in this way you have to draw these line segments. So complete your exercise 8.3 in your textbook.